In Nigeria, and I've been doing online transactions like paying for subscription online, buying things online, then you must have been affected by the new CBN ban on cards, which states that some cards from some banks cannot harbor more than $20, while some more than $50 and $100. If you are in this category of persons that are facing challenges using their cards to buy online because of this limitation, this video is for you. Come closer. Now, I was able to come out with an idea that we are going to be using a virtual card to load that card with up to $1,000. You got me right. This is not an arbitrary stuff that I will be explaining to you, but this is for those who need cards for online payment. We are going to be using a particular method to deposit money from our bank right into this virtual account. I know you are surprised, right? If you want to watch me walk you through this video, then follow me for more and subscribe so that I can make this video and give it to you. If you find this information helpful, follow me and subscribe to see the part 2 of this video.